everyone. Today we are here with the topic BODMAS. BODMAS is a basic to solve any numerical expression. Whenever we are solving any expression, we have to follow BODMAS. BODMAS means B represent bracket, O means O which represent multiply, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. Whenever we are solving any numerical expression, we have to follow the BODMAS. Means in an expression, if any bracket is there, we have to solve the bracket first. Then of, then according to this division, multiply, addition and subtraction. With this, we have to follow some more rules. That means we proceed from left to right. Means expression when we are solving, we proceed from left to right. Now order of the bracket means when we are solving the brackets, maybe you have more than one bracket, then the order of the brackets, this bracket is known as bar, will be solved first. This is known as small bracket, will be solved second. This is known as curly bracket and we solve at the third place, and finally at last we will solve square bracket. So this is the order to solve the students. Now we are here with a numerical expression. Numbers, this is an expression containing only numbers with mathematical operations and brackets. Now we have to solve this numerical expression. Whenever we are solving any expression, we have to follow always BODMAS. Now BODMAS, according to the BODMAS, bracket will be solved first. Now this is the bracket. Inside the bracket we have 60 minus 32. It means if we are looking to this expression, only bracket is here. It will be solved first. Now solve it. 60 minus 32. It will be 28. Now keep it as it is. This 14 plus 12 into 3 minus 7 into 5. Now we have this expression with the sign division, plus, multiply, minus and multiply. Now see, of is not there. Now division, multiply, addition and subtraction. What will be solved first? Division. So we will solve these two. So what would be the answer? 28 divided by 14 is 2. Keep rest part remains same. Now what is the sign? We have now addition, multiplication, subtraction and multiplication. After division we have the term multiplication. So we will solve these two and these two. We will not solve these two because at multiplication will come first. So what the answer would be for these two? 12 into 3, 36 minus 7 into 5, 35. Now students, we are left with addition and subtraction. Now add these two. We will move left to right. 2 plus 36 is 38 minus 35. But the answer would be 3. So this is the answer for this numerical expression. Now here with the second numerical expression, same we have to follow this BODMAS. Now we have to solve the bracket first, but here we have three types of the bracket. Square means large bracket, curl bracket and the small bracket. And we have seen the order of the bracket. If bar is there, bar will be solved first. So this is the sequence to solve this. It means the small bracket will be solved first. So keep rest thing as it is. 24 minus this curl bracket will same. This is the small bracket will be solved first. So 7 minus 4, what the answer would be? 3. Now keep the rest bracket as it is. Now the second bracket sequence is we will solve this curl bracket. Curl bracket is this one. So it means rest part will remain same. In this bracket we have two operations. multiply and addition. So whenever we are solving this curl bracket, we have to follow the again BODMAS. So multiplication and addition, first this will be solved. Multiply. So 4 into 3 is 12. Now 210, 24. Now what the answer of this will be? 12 plus 3 is 15. Now the turn is to solve this square bracket. 210 plus 24 minus 15 is 9. So what the answer would be finally? 219. Now students, third numerical expression. How to solve it? See here we have many brackets. Means we have 4 brackets: bar, small, curl and large. We will follow the sequence, order of the brackets. So it means this bar will be solved first. You can put bar as, for your convenient only, just get this box and solve this box first. Otherwise bar will remain same. This is for your convenient only. Now you see, keep the rest thing as it is. So 25 minus 25 would be 0. Now the turn is to solve this small bracket. As we have done the integers, that if a larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, then we get the answer in negative form. So 0 minus 25, what the answer would be? Minus 25. Now also you have learned that when two signs comes together, no number between them, only the sign of bracket is there, and inside the bracket only single number is there, either the positive or the negative, then these two minus and minus will become plus. Now is the turn to solve the curl bracket. 25 minus, what the answer of this curl bracket? 25 plus 25, it's 50. Now same thing, the larger number we are subtracting from the smaller number, so answer would be in the negative form. 25 minus 50 will be minus 25. Same, now inside the bracket only single number is there, either positive or negative, but when two signs comes together, plus minus become minus, minus plus become minus, minus minus become plus, plus plus also become plus. So here we have minus and minus, so it will become plus. So finally we get the answer is 50. Question 8, that we have to solve this numerical expression. Any numerical expression we are solving, we have to follow the BODMAS. See, first we have here square bracket and the small bracket, but students, these are separate, not linked to each other. So we can solve together also and separate also. According to the sequence, we will solve it first, but this is not linked with this side by side, we can solve this also. So in this bracket, we have division, of and minus. Of means it's a multiplication operation. So if we have of and multiply, so we will solve first of. So division, of and subtraction, we will solve first of. So 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2. Of represent multiply. So 3 of 2 means 3 into 2. It will be 6. Solve this bracket also. So 18 minus 6 is 12. We can remove this bracket because only single number is this. Now, so complete this bracket, minus and division. What we will solve first? Division. So we will divide these two. 72 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2. and keep the rest things as it is. Now solve this bracket. 72 minus 2 is 70. 12 divided by 4. Now addition and this division. So we will solve this first. 3. So final answer is 73. So this is the answer for this numerical expression. The next expression is this one. Again we have to solve it and we will follow the same pattern. But here we have two brackets, curl bracket and the small bracket. But inside the curl bracket, two times we have the small bracket. So we can solve them together. Solve it and solve it. So rest things we will keep as it is. What the answer of this will be? 12 minus 6 is 6. This sign. And what the answer of this? 24 minus 12 is 12. We can solve these two brackets together side by side. Now 1800 divided by 10 multiply. We will solve this curl bracket. This is your curl bracket. So 6 plus 12 is 18. Now we are with the operation division and multiplication. Division will be solved first. So divide it. 1800 divided by 10 is 180. Multiply 18. Now multiply 180 with 18 is 3240. So this is the answer for this expression. Now next numerical expression is this, which is to be solved. Now see, here also we have small bracket, small bracket. Inside of this we have only addition. Inside of this we have three operations, division, off and multiplication. So side by side we will solve this and this bracket. So whenever we are solving this bracket, division, off and multiply. So according to this, what will come first? Off, which is an operator which shows multiplication. So don't put multiply, just solve it. 96 divided by 2 of 2 means 2 multiply 2. Just keep in mind and solve. So 2 of 2 means 4. And now solve this bracket. 12 plus 8, because this is not linked with this, it's separate. 12 plus 8 is 20. Divided by 2. Now solve this bracket, because brackets will be solved first, then we will see this. So division and multiply. What will be solved first? Division. 96 divided by 4. What the answer would be? 24. Divided, we will get 24. Now 3 and keep the rest things as it is. Now multiply. What the answer would be? 70. Multiply this. The answer would be 72. Now we are left with 3 operation. No bracket is there. Plus, multiply, divide. Divide will be solved first. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Now multiply it. It would be 140. Now we have to add it. 72 plus this will be 212. So this is the answer for this numerical expression. Now the next expression is this. We have to solve this. Solve it. Students, we have two small brackets. Those are not linked to each other. We can solve separately side by side because these are not linked to each other. Inside of this we have addition. So what the answer of this will be? 108. Now keep this sign as it is. 3 of 4. Of represent as an operator of multiplication. So 3 of 4 means 3 into 4. So what the answer will be? 12. And keep the rest things as it is. Now next step, we have no bracket, only operations, division, minus and plus. But we will solve first division. 108 divided by 12 gives 9. Now students, there are two ways. This part you can do in two ways. One, that we move left to right. So left to right, take this as plus. This left to right. Plus 9 minus 24 gives minus 15. plus 8. Why minus 15? 1 positive, 1 negative. We do the subtraction. 24 minus 9. It's 15. But greater number is 24. So we will put here minus 15. And the final answer is minus 7. And the another way. This we have done because we have the rule when addition and subtraction is left only, we move to left to right. We solve these two first, get the answer, and answer will be solved with third. Now another way. Another way means addition will be solved for. This is very important, you have to learn. This is the expression. See, we have to add these two and subtraction between them. But whenever we are adding these two numbers, don't think that you will add like this. You will get this 32. This is the wrong way. Because 24 is not alone. Minus 24 is this. So don't think if 24 and 8 is added, we can't add it because we take the sign with the number. So whenever we are adding, we will not add 24 and 8. We will take minus 24 and plus 8. Now one negative and one positive number is there. What we do? Subtraction. So subtract it. What the answer will be? 16. And the greater number is this. So we will put a minus. Now plus 9 minus 16. What the final answer would be? Minus 7. Because 1 plus 1 minus. We do the subtraction and greater is this. We put this sign here. So this is the answer for this expression.